Good day, I am JBM Lopez, a fourth year Bachelor of Technology, major in Electrical Technology student from Section 4, presenting the business plan for JML Renewable Energy Integration Services in Baras, Rizal. A venture aimed to pioneering sustainable energy solution in local community. JML Renewable Energy Integration Services address to pressing issue limited access to reliable, sustainable energy in Baras Rizal. The company aims to provide efficient, renewable energy solution to overcome power storage, reduce environmental impact, and contribute the long term of energy sustainability of the community. JML Renewable Energy Integration Services pledged to revolutionize energy access in Baras Rizal by delivering reliable and eco-friendly. Our promise is to empower the community with sustainable energy sources, fostering environmental responsibility and ensuring resilient and energy secure for future to all. JML Renewable Energy Integration Services has conducted through feasibility studies highlighting the potential of renewable energy solution in Baras Rizal. Our research demonstrates the economic and environmental benefits of transitioning to sustainable energy solution. Our strategy plan involves installation solar panel, wind turbines, and other renewable energy system tailored to Baras' specific needs. We will collaborate with local authorities, engage community outreach program, offer customized energy solution of residents. And our business, additionally, ongoing monitoring and maintenance services will ensure long life efficiently for renewable energy installation. JML Renewable Energy Integration Services, the importance of activity, listening to needs and concern of the community in Baras Rizal. We are committed to fostering open communication channel, understanding local perspective, and empowering feedback into our energy solution. By knowing to stop and listening, we aim to build a collaborative partnership, the aim to the community value and contribute the sustainable development.